In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do in-person signing with Docusign. 5 minutes. In-person signing lets you sit with someone and capture their signature right on your device, while Docusign handles the legal audit trail in the background. It's perfect for walk-ins, front desk transactions, or any situation where the signer is physically present and doesn't need an email invitation. First, log into your Docusign account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to send envelopes. If you're working on a shared computer, it's a good idea to confirm you're signed in under the correct profile before moving on. Next, click Start and upload the document you want signed. You can drag and drop a file from your desktop or pick one from your cloud storage. DocuSign supports common formats like PDF and Word. If your packet has multiple documents, you can upload them together so everything gets signed in one session. Now, add your recipient and set their role to in-person signer. This role is key. It tells DocuSign the person will sign on your screen right there with you instead of receiving an email. With in-person signing, the envelope stays with the host and opens only when you initiate the session. Enter the signer's name exactly as you want it to appear on the documents. Accurate spelling matters for the final certificate and any downstream systems that rely on the completed name. If you don't need to collect their email, you can leave it off for a cleaner in-person flow. Assign a host for the signing session, either yourself or another authorized account holder. The host is the person who will open the envelope, hand the device to the signer, and guide them through the tags. If someone else is hosting, double check they have access and understand the process to avoid delays. Add the necessary fields to the document. Place signature and initial tabs anywhere signature is required. Include a date signed field so the signing timestamp is captured automatically. If you need typed information, use text fields and label them clearly. You can mark fields as required to prevent incomplete submissions and format dates or numbers to reduce errors. When everything looks good, click Send. This creates the envelope and readies it for the host to launch the in-person session. That's it. Log in, upload, set in-person signer, add the signer's name, choose the host, place your fields, and send. With these steps, you'll run a smooth, secure in-person signing experience every time.